Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete TikTok accounts. So I'm heading over to my TikTok application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now go to settings and privacy. Now go to privacy, go to account, and here you will find the option of deactivate or delete account. Head over there. Now click on delete account permanently. Here you have to give the reason for your deleting your account. Then tap on continue. Now tap on continue and then follow the prompts to delete your account. So yeah, this is how easily you can delete your TikTok account. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.